So this is my short form walkthrough of my CLI data gem project. Get my program on screen and I'll show you how it works. I chose for this project a website called Omniglot, which is a database of information about world languages. Has all different kinds of information, has linguistic family trees, histories, information about current numbers of native speakers, and it also has a fairly large database of phrases for about 300 different languages. So my CLI data gem is basically a scraper for this website, which will give the user a phrase book in a given language. So this program is called Phrase Finder. It is run from the bin folder with the Phrase Finder run file, which gives the user this list or menu of options. So from 1 to 299. After the list of languages is printed to the screen, the program puts a message, here's a list of available languages, select the language by number or type exit to exit. Program basically accepts four kinds of input. One would be a language selection. 246 is Spanish. That gives us this columned short phrase book. 222 is Russian. Gives us that. If at any time the user wants to see the menu again, the CLI accepts the command print. This printing comes from the language class of the program, which every time the first scrape is run, instantiates a new language object and shovels it into a class variable in the language class so that the list is generated a second time, not from a second scrape, but from data stored in the program. The same is true also for selections of the same language previously scraped in the second scraping method. We just regenerated Spanish here. Again, this comes from the phrases class, which every time this second method of scraping is run, instantiates the collected phrases as an object of an object in the phrases class. So again, the website is not scraped a second time. That information is stored in the program. So basically the program accepts inputs between 1 and 299, which is 299 is Zulu. 1 is Abkhaz, which is a minority language spoken in the Republic of Georgia in the former Soviet Union. It takes print to reprint the menu, and it will return invalid inputs such as 405. We don't have 405 languages in the program. We'll give you the return of invalid response and exit the program. So I think that generally sums up the functionality of my program, and I'll stop it there.